Welcome to the TTS walk around video. One of my favourite cars here at Anchor Cars. Here we go, walk around the exterior. Beautiful diamond cut alloys there with the mean looking grumbling 4 exhausts at the back there. As you can see, parking sensors above that, and you've got your LED daytime running lights. I'll insert a clip of the exhaust and what it puts out, what it sounds like here. And what it looks like on the front. Inside the cabin, noise is almost non-existent. Really quiet, cozy but intimate feel in this cabin. Obviously the rear, you haven't got much space for passengers, but then again, obviously this is not a family car. Turning around, we see our quilted leather seats with the S-Line logo in the back, with white stitching as well. Instrument cluster on the dashboard. We have super cool. This is really nice. So you can see different types of things. So you can go and get your speedometer as your main focus with your maps on the left and information on the right. You can just have your splits. So you've got your revs and you've got your speed, and you've got the sat nav as the full view. And this can all be changed. You can go into car information, your phone connections, telephone connections, and then maps again. So you've got all sorts of controls over this, and really interesting numbers to kind of judge your driving and see how you can maybe get a little bit more mile per gallon. In the center module here, 3 main vents, very Audi looking. Really nice to control, very powerful. On a day like this, when it's 23.5 degrees, fan and an aircon system like this is very useful. Now we've got heated windscreen on the rear, recirculation of air. You can put the spoiler down. The spoiler on the back has just been raised a slight bit, and you've got your driving select, so you can scroll through the choices of how you want your car to perform. So you can scroll through, you can go into individual, so you can make your own. You can go to dynamic, which is more of a sporty feel, harder steering, faster gear shifting. You've got more comfortable steering and all that kind of stuff. So it's all about the driving feel, how you want to play it. Gear stick, this is a manual, so you've got a gear stick here, up to 6 gears. You've got volume controls here too. You have storage by the push of a button. You can also control here your maps on the screen in front of you. So you've got all different types of controls, media, radio. There we are. Electronic parking brake, cup storage, and then rear storage, maybe for a phone and sunglasses. Glove box with the Audi service book and manual. But normally all of the information is stored in the car. Light controls down here, just stick on an auto, and also door controls, door locks. So the wing mirrors fold when you lock the car. Speaker system. There we are. We've also got heated seats there too. So there we are. That is the Audi TTS here at Anchor Cars.